And then I think I know it by heart because I read it so often. But you basically say the next 10 years are a critical decade. And then you and your colleagues talk about grief, loss, our expressions of connection with the natural world, that even though uncomfortable, going through these emotions are the crucible for action.
Yeah.
And what I do whenever I read that is I highlight what you're doing, which is you're reframing. There's multiple reframes there, but the main reframe is how we relate with the experience. The emotional experience of these issues is an expression of relationship. So that's affirming. And two, a crucible. And then I tie that to small group work. So I almost immediately follow that with, here's your opportunity to think about how are you going to provide that crucible for people to work through so that they actually become activated. And let's now look at what that might look like in as far as like small group work or retreats or some sort of like circles or something like that. So that piece has been really, really powerful. And I've gotten a lot of, leverage from invoking that work, including the academic, because we need sometimes to pull that in. Like,
Yeah.
this researcher said this in the Lancet, so this means it's true.